kitchen, cooking me a meal. Something makes me wanna come in there and get a feel. Walk around in your t-shirt with nothing else on, strutting past, switching that ass while I'm on the phone, cutting up tomatoes, fruits and vegetables and